Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's unboxing video is gonna be a character from My Hero Academia. So this particular character is Katsuki Bakugo. So I bought this again at FYE, and I don't really know much about this character, but all I know is that his birthday is April 20th and he's about 15 years old. That's all I know. So this one is in black and white. Also, it says here there's like 4 model of him. It says the brush, the anime, the tones, and then 2 dimension. So yeah, I haven't seen the anime cartoon yet, but maybe I'm gonna do it. And yeah, so let's open it, guys. Alright guys, so let's open it. So I don't really know how this one look like, and let me see, guys. Okay, OMG, guys. Uh-oh, I don't want to break the stuff. Oh my god, guys, look. So this one, it doesn't come like in a whole thing, you know. Oh, you need to put them together, guys. So let's open it. So this one again is, this model is, it says the tone. So this one, black and white. So wala siyang ibang color, just black and white, guys. Tapos it comes like this in half pieces. So let's open. OMG, this is so amazing. So I have to put them together because I have to be very careful, because I don't know if this is like madaling masira or maybe fragile or something. Hold on. So ito na nga pala yung aking second vinyl. This is my second vinyl. You know, the real vinyl or whatever, like this one, the Kit Kat. And then I'm planning to buy more in the future, guys. OMG, what is this? It looks like a grenade. Look at that. The one on his arm. Look. Yeah, it is a grenade. Look, this is like the clip or the pin or something. So like what I said, guys, I don't really know much about this character, so, and let me see the other half of it. Ito yung katawan niya. Para sa manananggal, guys. Ayan. OMG. And then he have a wings, I think. Oh no, it's not. Yeah, it is a wing. So this is the wings, guys. Let's see. We're gonna put him in all together in one piece. So right now, let me see. Hold on, I cannot. So, there. Yan yung wings niya, I think. So this is the wings, guys. But pero nandun siya sa ano, ayun eh. I think it's on, yeah, maybe like on the, oh, here we're gonna put the wings here, I think. But how am I gonna put it? I don't know how to do this, guys. But, and then there's another one here. What is this? Look. So basically, he comes in 4 pieces. So we just have to put them together like that. OMG, look at that. He's like ready to fight, and he's like mad or something. But do I need to? I don't know where to put this one, guys. So it says like that. Do we need? I don't know. And then this one, seriously, see, I really don't know. And these are the wings behind him, like that. I think I have to glue them or something. Cause see, there's not. So hindi ko alam kung paano to ikakabit, guys. Maybe I have to glue them like that. So anyway, so that is, what's his name? Katsuki bakugo. So yung kanyang height is about 9 or like around 10 inches, guys. So height is 10 inches, and the color is just gray in white or black or something. So this is how it looks like. So I really don't know how to connect this or put this on his back. I think I have to what's gonna call this? There's nothing inside the box, guys. So I really don't know how I'm gonna connect his wings. So maybe I have to glue them. So it's like that. I have to glue. Let me see. Something like that, guys. Wala siyang ano eh. Hindi mo makakabit. Ewan ko. And then there's another one here. I don't know where to put this. Maybe in his legs. But he can't stand, so I don't know. Maybe it's just like that. Let me see. So that is him right there. And that is Katsuki bakugo. So okay, guys, so you can put it there. So in between the hair, meron siyang space para mailagay mo siya. So yeah, so there you go. So that's how it look like with the, it's not a wing. I think it's just effects or something, because he is mad or something and ready to fight right there. This is so awesome. I like this one, guys. And so again, this is the tones, and it comes in 3 model. This, it says here the brush, and then the anime, and then this is the one that I have, and then the 2-dimension. So yeah, so when I got this at FYE, I think it was on sale, 50% off. Original price was 65, guys, right there, 65, but I got it 50% off. So yeah, and then I said why not, so I, that's why I purchased it. And I really don't know that it comes in 3 pieces, so you have to put them together, guys, but it's easy to put them together. So yeah, so anyways, guys, I hope you like this video. And then I only have one more problem. I don't know. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay, so this one you can connect it behind the leg right there. And I think this item is numbered, so that is the number. I think it's a limited edition. I'm not sure. So you have to connect the thing here like that. Okay guys, so hopefully you like this anime figure from My Hero Academia. Again, I really don't know much about this character, and yeah, so hopefully you like this video. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a good day. Thank you for subscribing.